To pass the ASQ Six Sigma Black Belt exam, you must master a high level exam hack that most candidates completely ignore: understanding the cognitive levels of the questions. The ASQ exam does not just test your basic memory, it actively tests your depth of knowledge using a framework called Bloom's Taxonomy. By understanding how a question is framed, you can instantly identify what the test makers want from you. Let us look at how the exam uses these cognitive levels and the specific hacks to conquer them. First is the recall and understand level. These are straightforward memory tests. They ask for definitions, acronyms, or the primary purpose of a specific tool. The hack here is sheer speed. When you see a simple question asking you to define the abbreviation for a specific lean tool, do not overthink it. Trust your memory, pick the correct answer, and bank that saved time for the harder questions. Second is the application level. These questions give you a brief scenario and ask which tool you should use. For example, you might be given a specific set of defect data and asked which control chart is most appropriate. The hack here is matching the tool to the data type. You must instantly recognize whether the scenario is describing continuous or discrete data and apply the correct statistical rule to eliminate the wrong options. Third is the analysis level. This is where the exam gets mathematically difficult. You will be given raw data, a control chart, or a completed ANOVA table, and you must interpret what it means. The hack here is to isolate the matrix. Ignore the narrative fluff in the paragraph and focus purely on the statistical outputs, such as the p value or the control limits. You must analyze the math to draw a factual conclusion about the process. Fourth is the evaluation and creation level. These are complex, multi step scenario questions. You might be placed in the middle of a massive project roadblock, a team conflict, or a strategic planning crisis. In these questions, all four answers might actually look like good ideas. The hack here is to apply strict ASQ core philosophies. You must evaluate the scenario strictly through the lens of ASQ rules, prioritize the actions according to the DMAC methodology, and determine the absolute best path forward. When you sit down for the exam, do not just read the question. Analyze how it is built, instantly identifying whether you need to recall a simple fact, calculate a math problem, or evaluate a complex business scenario will drastically improve your accuracy and your pacing. I have provided these guidelines as a downloadable file. Please click on the link in the description below to get your copy. Understanding the core philosophies and exam hacks we just covered is your first step. But your ultimate goal is not just learning theory, it is passing the exam, securing your ASQ certified Six Sigma Black Belt, and stepping into that elite tier of quality leaders. To get there, you must train your brain to dismantle real, high stakes scenario under pressure. My name is Rahul Iyer. As a master black belt with over 2 decades of experience, I have trained more than 1 million students and certified over 100,000 professionals globally. When it comes to conquering the ASQ exam, you are in safe hands. That is exactly why I built my complete ASQ Black Belt Simulation exam course. This is not just a test bank, it is a tactical training program. Plus, it is a fully CPD accredited course, meaning you will also earn valuable CPDs, CEUs, PDCs, and PDUs. Inside, you are getting an absolute arsenal: over 200 specific knowledge nuggets, crystal clear scenario translations, and my strict alphabetical breakdown of exactly why every single distractor is a calculated trap. I show you the exact mechanics of how to eliminate the noise and confidently select the right answer every single time. Do not risk nearly $600 in exam fee by walking into that Prometric center untested. Grab the full course using the link in the description, master the mechanics, and go claim your black belt. I will see you in the course.